In this video, I'll be covering the process of how to upgrade the firmware of your Uniden R7 or R3. The process is absolutely identical for either one, so no difference except for the cables used. The Uniden R3 uses a USB to mini USB plug. The R7, however, uses a micro USB connector, which is included with the device. No cable was included with the R3, however. So what we're going to be doing is downloading the software from Uniden's website. It's available for PC and Mac, and then we'll be running the software and having the unit plugged in. Once it's updated, you have to power up your detector and reset the firmware, and then of course go over and reset your settings how you want it to be. So let's get to that now. Alright, to update the drivers for your Uniden Radar Detector, you need to go to Uniden's website at www.uniden.com, as you see there. Then you're going to click on Support, and under Automotive, select Radar Detectors, and then scroll down and select Firmware. And over here you're going to see the top two, R7 and then Uniden R3. These are the last firmwares available for both. And here's a list of fixes for the R7, which was updated 4/18/2019. It fixes a few things here. So you're going to download the USB drivers if you need them. If your computer doesn't detect it, you'll download that. Otherwise, you'll just download the R7 for PC or R7 for Mac, whichever one is appropriate. You'll just click on the zip file, and then it will start the download link, and then you'll save it to your computer, or you can just choose Open With. If you choose Open With, for example, you will get this. If you save it, then you will have to go to the directory you saved it in and open it. This zip file has the firmware itself and the installation. So you're going to double click the file, and I'm on Windows 10, and for whatever reason it's saying Windows is protecting your PC and don't run. But what you're going to do to get it to run is you're going to choose More Info. In the event that you see this message, you'll choose More Info, and then you'll choose Run Anyway. So when you choose Run Anyway, then it's going to ask if you already had it installed to repair it, remove it, or install it if you didn't have it installed already, etc. and so forth. So I'm going to close out that since I already have it. Once you have it installed, you can look under your menu and look under U for Uniden, or you can just do on your search bar if you're on Windows 10, and you can type Uniden, U-N-I, and as you see I have my Uniden R download tool. I will click there, and I have my Uniden R7 connected right now with the included micro USB cable. I have that connected to my PC, and it's showing the current firmware that's on the device. And then I'm going to the next step is to choose Open. So you want to open that file, the firmware file. So you're going to navigate to the directory where it's installed, and then run it. Hang on a second. If you forget where it's installed, you can just simply drag the firmware file, the bin file, to a location that you're familiar with. So let's say copy, and I'm just going to put it on my C drive. Under Uniden R tools, and I'm just going to put it there. So now I know that it's there. So let me go back to the software, and I'm going to choose Open, and I'm going to go to my C drive and Uniden R series tools, and here's that bin file. Double click that file, and now it shows the model number, the version. I'm currently on 121, 122, 111, which was 1/4/2019. The new one is a 122, 123, 111, updated 4/2/2019, which also has an updated database of red light cameras, etc. What you're going to do then is choose Start Download, and then you need to wait for that to be done. So now it's updating my firmware at this point. Download complete. Okay, and that's it. Now it shows in this app that I have 122, 123, 111 in both. The next thing you're going to do is plug your Uniden Radar Detector into power and go to the firmware settings and choose Restore Factory Settings. And then you'll be all set. Then you'll need to go to your individual settings and make sure that your detector is set up as you want it to be. So we've updated the firmware on the Uniden, and I'm going to be powering it up for the first time since flashing that firmware so I can restore the factory settings.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser.
Alright, now I'm going to go to the menu.
Menu.
And I'm going to do the minus button to get right to where I want it to be. Factory reset, and I'm going to press the menu button.
Factory reset completed.
There we go. Now it's reset to factory. See mile per hour, highway. Let me go back in the menu.
City. Advanced. Highway.
Alright, so I want to change that to city. Oops.
City.
Menu. Then up last to go on to the next options. And I'm going to change the options as I see fit. I want that on. I want the quiet road red light cam on. Oops. Menu. To change that, I want to have that at 15. Voice on, Ka frequency.
Ka frequency. Voice on.
Okay. Expand off. I'll leave that on for now. K-pop off. MRCD I want to have on. I'm going to put that on.
Band. Pop on.
I like having that on for now. And this is a new feature, K-block, which wasn't in the previous one, which will help with blind spot monitor filtering a little better. K wide, K narrow. If you put that on wide, it'll give you slightly better protection. Whether or not you need it in wide or narrow depends on your location. Auto mute for X and K, all thread. Let me put that on. I'm going to change my color. Alright, that's white. These are the different colors. I think I'm going to leave it on gray for now. You can change the arrow colors, the band colors.
Time display.
You can have trouble.
Display.
Having it on scan gives you that Knight Rider scanner effect.
Speed. Compass.
Let me put it on speed and compass. You can have different. So there are two different displays. Alert number 2 gives like a curved display when you're getting a reading.
GPS connected. Menu.
Oops. Let me quickly go back to that setting again. I like quiet ride being on. I'm going to set it at 20 for now. That's going to be
Daylight
on.
saving time on.
And that's it. And that's my current firmware again. This is the database version for the red light cameras and speed, and there's exit. And there's my scanner. That's speed and compass. Although I think I'm generally just going to leave it as compass only. But there you go. That's updating your Uniden R3 or R7. Again, the process is exactly the same for the two. And you have to reset to the factory settings on either one after you copy the new firmware and reset up your settings as you want them to be. And that was a quick look at how the settings look now with the current firmware. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit thumbs up if this was helpful. Please sub if you'd like to see more videos from me. And thank you for watching.